Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dego Finance. In today's video, we will take a look at this rejection from this downtrend line resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and I also want to show you this breakdown from this broadening wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me share my recent trade setup of Dego Finance with you, and that was here I shared on 31st of July, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardian move. And by the way, this move was formed with Bitcoin pair, therefore I will tell you the values in Bitcoins. And before this guardian, the Dego Finance also formed another guardian move in the same month of July. And this pattern was, by the way, formed on 16th of July that I also shared with my members as well. And let me to show you first this pattern, and then I'll take you to the most recent one. And you can see it was guardian move, and we were entered the buying zone, and this was our sell target zone. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well, slightly moved down and tested this next support here. And after testing this support, it pumped very well, and after hitting the sell target, even rallied beyond this sell target, it moved down again. And this is the most recent one, this guardian move that I shared on 31st of July. And you can see our buying zone was starting from 954 and goes to 860, and our sell targets were from 1086 and goes to 0.0001225 bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that it was, by the way, a very big pump. You can see rallied beyond the sell targets, more than 50% pump there this was. And now let me to take you to this live weekly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the Bitcoin pair, and now we are watching the US dollar Dego with US dollar pair. And here we have a very strong resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Here we had a fake out to the downside, but I was telling you that at the same time, Dego Finance has formed another downtrend line support, and that is the formation of a down channel. And this is the new support of the down channel we are having here, and the resistance of this channel was here. Sorry, this was not the resistance. Here we had the resistance, and here we had the support of the new channel. And if you're following my analysis on Dego Finance, then in my previous video I was telling you that even though we have broken out this resistance of the down channel, but we still have this very strong and down and long-term resistance of this falling wedge pattern. We need to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and we also need to break out this resistance zone that starts from $3.45 and goes to $4. Previously this level has been breaking at the resistance here, and support here, and resistance here, therefore again it can break at the resistance. And at the same time, we can see that on the daily time frame chart, Dego Finance has broken down the support of this broadening wedge. You can see whenever it was getting bounced from this support, it was forming higher highs, but this time it has broken down the support. That is another signal that we may retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support at the same level. We also have this previous this support of the big falling wedge pattern as well. Remember, we are still moving inside this wedge, therefore there is a probability that we may test this support, and that test can be possible approximately at $1.48 to 50 cents. And after that retest, we can expect another move to the upside. However, once Dego will be able to break out this long-term resistance of the falling wedge pattern, then our target for this falling wedge pattern will be here approximately at $29 to $30. And right now you can see we are moving at $1.82. That will be a quite big target, but in order to achieve this target, we need to break out so many resistance levels like this one and this resistance zone as well. And the target for this down channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $12.30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.